AdCreative AI Review. Creating effective ads used to take a lot of time and effort, but not anymore. AdCreative AI streamlines the entire process, helping you build high-converting ads with ease, whether you're aiming for sales, signups, or brand awareness. This tool generates tailored creatives designed and aligned with your goals, and it offers plenty of variations to choose from. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started and how to make the most of AdCreative. If you'd like to test out AdCreative AI for yourself, check out the link in the description to start using it for free. And if you're serious about taking your ad performance to the next level, I highly recommend upgrading to a premium plan to unlock the full suite of features. Starting off, you're going to sign up and create your account. You can do this simply with your email address. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can link your advertising account to AdCreative, how you can set up your own brand, how you can create ads, and what are text projects and how can you use text projects. So once you have created your AdCreative account, you're just going to complete your details. Now, once you have created your account, this is what your AdCreative AI dashboard is going to look like. So on the left, you have brands, projects, analyze, predict, retouch, and your general settings. So the first thing you need to do is to integrate your advertising account to AdCreative. So on the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, you can click on integrations. So we're going to click on our profile and we're going to go on ahead and integrate within our settings. Now, AdCreative lets you link your account to Meta Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Microsoft, Google Ads, Pinterest Ads, and more. Simply click on a platform that you want to link to your AdCreative account. Now, the next step is to go on to your basic dashboard and start building your brand. So for this, you're just going to import from your website, or you can add your brand manually. You can write your name and brand description. For example, my brand name is Spencer, and this is a retail clothing brand focusing on providing luxury clothing with pure materials, like so. And I'm just going to save and continue with my brand description. Now you have two variations of your logos that you can upload. So you have a light logo and a dark logo. So if you have created those variations, you can upload both of those variations over here. I'm going to be uploading my brand logo just like so. From here, you can remove the background if you want, simply by clicking on Remove Background. Or you can even confirm your logo or keep the original background. I am going to be keeping the original background as it is. I'm going to confirm my logo and save and continue. From there, you can select your brand color scheme. This can be your brand color scheme for your website or whatever basic template of colors you are using for most of your brand content. So our first brand color is black. Then let's say we also have a white color. And then for our accent colors, we are using a beige and a pink. So we're going to add all of those. Let's say we're adding 2 types of pinks, and then we're going to click on Save and Continue. Once you do that, you can click on Connect Your Ad Account and you can link your ad account. Once done, just click on Create Brand and your brand will now be created on AdCreative. The next thing is to create ads. So from here, we're going to first optimize our AdCreative experience. This is going to be a single brand and we only have 1 to 10 employees. And then click on Get Started. Now it's time to go ahead and build our first ad project. So on the left, we can click on Projects and then we're going to click on Create a Project. Once we do that, we can see there are different styles. So we have ad text, ad videos, product photo ads, ad creatives, and more. We want to create a ad creative, so we're going to click on Add Creative over here. Once we do that, we can choose what type of size we want. So we want this to be a portrait size, and the display size is, let's say, half page. Or no, portrait size only. Then we can choose the image text. So our main headline is going to be an announcement, which is going to be our summer sale is live. And our punchline, get up to 50% off buy now. And then we can customize our call to action button as well. So the icon that I want to use, I'm going to leave it at default. And then you can click on Next Step over here. and choose a background image. You can search the images provided by the AdCreative stock image database. So I'm going to search for luxury fashion. They will give me AI recommendations, or I can even search by myself. From here, you can give your project a name. So this is going to be my sale announcement. Now, the best part about using AdCreative is that you don't need to be a copywriter when you're using AdCreative. When you're creating your branding, you can allow the test AI tool to write your descriptions, headlines, punchlines, call to actions for you. Now, I've added my image, and you can also choose to generate the ad just like so. Once done, your AdCreative ad set is being generated. So from a single image and our basic punchline and call to action, it is going to generate an ad set for me. And just like so, all our creatives have been generated. We can see the conversion scores of different types of creatives, and you can pick out whichever one you personally prefer. Not only that, but you can click on edit, and you can go into the Creative Studio editor or just put in a quick input edit. If you click on this, you guys can see that I can generate the text like so, and I can add my URL page and the type of advert that we are looking to build. And you can click on save and render to save your changes. Now, moving forward, if you want product-focused adverts, you can just select on this, and this will show you all of the product-focused adverts. Now, once you're satisfied with a overall ad set, you can click on the ad set, and you can just click on download on the bottom right to download those creatives, and you will have a PNG version of the ad creative that was generated for you. After downloading, you can open the file to check the image, and depending on the amount of images you selected to create a post, this will vary depending on the number of images you selected, so you could have one advert, but it can have different image options. Now, not only this, but you can also make ad texts on AdCreative AI. So when you're creating a project, if you scroll down, you can click on Add Text, where you can generate sales-driven ad copy using proven copywriting frameworks by simply providing a URL. You can fill out the necessary inputs, and all that it needs to be done is going to be handled by AdCreative. So AdCreative offers you convenience. It is a simple and intuitive to use tool, which helps you in building ad packages, batch creatives, and so much more. And the best part is that AdCreative starts at only $25 per month, where it allows you to download 10 files, as well as all assets of AdCreative are unlocked. Their pricing ranges up to $359 per month, which is going to be a great deal for people that are using AI to its fullest potential, and you can save a lot of your time and money on other third-party tools which you would have to use to build your own ad sets. So if you're ready to start building better ads with less effort, use my link in the description below to try out AdCreative AI for free. And if you're aiming for serious results, consider upgrading to a paid plan. Thanks for watching our AdCreative AI review.